In our bilateral meeting today, we held in-depth discussions on ways of enhancing trade and investment, and I thank Prime Minister Fiala for being accompanied with a huge delegation of business people who have had very fruitful interactions with our own private sector and business people under the Chamber of Commerce in our two countries. I take this opportunity to encourage the business delegations accompanying His Excellency, the Prime Minister, to explore the huge untapped investment opportunities in Kenya. And I have also informed them that those opportunities are not limited to the 52 million people in Kenya. They extend to the East African community with a population of 350 million people. Those opportunities extend to the tripartite free trade area between EAC, COMESA, and SADC, with a population of 750 million people, and they extend all the way to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, which is a population of 1.4 billion people. To accelerate growth in trade and investment, we have agreed on the following steps for immediate action: that the Czech Republic consider establishing a commercial hub in Nairobi and use Kenya's geostrategic advantage as a gateway for the broader regional and continental engagement in terms of trade and investment, and that we implement urgent measures to establish a business council that will serve as a platform for bilateral private sector consultations and engagements to be brought together by the Chamber of Commerce in Kenya and the Chamber of Commerce in the Czech Republic. Following the Czech-Kenya Business Forum yesterday, attended by more than 120 companies from our two countries, and which Prime Minister Fiala graced with his presence, I am confident that Kenya and the Czech Republic will witness higher levels of commercial and trade activities that will spur increased investment from Czech companies into Kenya in diverse fields in our economy. The Africa Continental Free Trade Area, a market, as I have said, of 1.3 billion people, is currently being organized, and Kenya's vantage point will afford Czechia companies unimpeded access to this market. And in conjunction with Kenya's ratification of the EU Economic Partnership Agreement, Kenya offers a compelling array of benefits unmatched in our region. I did also take the opportunity to thank His Excellency Prime Minister for Czech's support as we negotiated the Economic Partnership Agreement that now has been concluded, and we will be signing it off on the 17th of December, that affords Kenya, being the first country in our region, to get quota-free, duty-free access to the European market, and that this will be a leverage that we can share with our Czech counterparts as they explore opportunities in the Kenyan space.